Hi everyone. Since this is my first video on Repurpose My Way on YouTube, I thought that it would be a good idea to introduce myself. So my name is Shelley and I live in Maine, off-grid with my husband. We have a little homestead here with turkeys, as you can see. We have some chickens and we have a little garden as well. And we really enjoy it out here in Maine on our homestead. We do have another YouTube channel for that, and I'll put the link below if you're interested. But we are not really here to see that. You're really here to see some creative, inspiring crafts, and I'm here to do that. I've been doing crafts and creating my own designs for over 7 years. I had a booth for a while, but because of health reasons, I had to kind of give it up. And I'm feeling better, luckily, and I'm back at it, and I just thought that I would share them with you on my new channel. So thanks to Heidi Sonbel DIY, I can share with you my video. She put out a challenge for crafters and DIYers to come out with a Christmas craft and to tag her in it, and she will make a playlist, which I'll link both her channel and the playlist below. And we can check them all out because I'm really excited to check out some of the other channels as well. So thanks for coming by, and without further ado, here is my video. Hello guys, I have some goodies. We're down in my lair where all the magic happens, and I've got some woodworking stuff I'm working on. So in light of the holiday season coming, I decided I wanted to make some decorations, and I decided I want to do some trees because you can kind of leave the trees up for a little while depending on how you decorate them. This one is a 10-inch tree, or it's going to be, and this one's a 7, so it's from here to here, 7 inches, and this one 5 inches, here to here. So I'm going to get another set of these cut out, and then I will sand them. I'll show you doing that, and then we'll head upstairs. So here we are. So this is why I didn't glue these in just yet. I wanted to wait because I want to be able to take these off and pick my paper, which I'm not sure. I'm just going to open a page and go with it, I think, because they're all pretty and I can just pick the ones that I want. And so that's the one that says Noel. I don't know if you can see that. And so what I'm going to do, move that over there, hopefully you guys can see it okay. And I have my pencil. And I'm just going to lay it on the back side of the paper because it's easier to see with the print. And then I'm just going to do this and outline it, and then I can cut it with my scissors. Follow that outline. go. Okay, and so that should fit on that pretty much just right. And I'm okay if it doesn't, because I like things distressed, so I'll probably distress it. But doesn't that look kind of cool? I like it. And so then what I'm gonna do is I got some paintbrushes here, and I'm gonna take my paintbrush and put it in my Mod Podge and put it on my piece of wood. And just like paint it on, basically, is what you're doing. There we go. So then I just go all the way to the edge with that. And put that there. And then you could put it on the paper as well so it'll stick a little better, but it's not really a big deal if you don't. And then I just rub it. Oops, slippery. So yeah, I just kind of push it down along the edges and whatnot. So I think that looks really pretty. I really like it. Especially once you get some decorations on it, if you decide to put some on. You could also, which I thought about, and I've got 3 sets here. I may try it just to see. You know those tiny lights that you can get that are like battery operated? I have a bunch of those from when my daughter got married. I bought a bunch because we decorated with them. And I have them. And I'm wondering if I drilled holes in the back in like random pattern and then had it come through the front and have them all lit up. I think that would look so cool. I think that's gonna look good with a Noel, I hope. You know what the cool part is? If it doesn't, I have 2 other sets. So I can always get these all together and say, you know what, I like this one with this one and this one with this one, instead of keeping them, there's none that are married to the other. Stuff around. So that looks really cute. Put that on. That looks cute. So cute. Let's see if we can. How does that look? Does it look good? I gotta turn it around so I can see now. Oh, that's so Christmassy and holiday-ish and all the things. So cute. So cute. And then you could do, you know, different decorations on there. Let's see, I've got some of these little wreaths. You could put a little wreath on there. I think that would look really pretty, and you could do a little star in the middle or a star on top. That would look really cute. Yeah, I like that. And then I also have some, I've got raffia, I've got twine. You could wrap twine around it. You could wrap lights around it. There's so many different ideas that you could use. It's pretty cool. I really like it. That looks neat. All right, we'll continue on and see what else we can do here. Here I'm showing you how I scuffed up the edges on my Noel set of trees. I've added decorations, and I've also gone ahead and stained the edges and the back of the trees on all 3 sets to make them look more finished. On the next set, the blue set that I have used my drill, and I drilled a hole all the way through and used my rice lights and stuck them in the holes and pulled them through a little bit to the other side, to the front, in a random pattern. watching my first video on Repurpose My Way. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and also hit that bell for future videos to come, because there will be more. So thank you to Heidi Sombel DIY for putting out this challenge, and I look forward to doing more. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.